Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. Today I will be unboxing this box that just came in, and actually I will not tell you straight away what is inside because I need to discover first myself. I ordered a couple of things and I'm not sure what just came in. It will be a surprise for me because sometimes I do a lot of unboxing, and when I'm ordering a lot of things I don't know what exactly is coming. So let me just open this box and I will use a little bit of violence here, a lot of force, because this is a big box and I really don't know what can be inside. I ordered many things recently. Oh, okay, here we go, and it's filled with some, those pieces. I hate them because when I open the box it's everywhere. Okay, so I will just take it out and what is that? And I already know that's the Gas Monkey garage trailer. Okay, so let me pull it out. Okay, here we go. It says Gas Monkey garage trailer and also part number blah blah, and here this is the logo, and there is one more time this huge monkey, and maybe you can't see that clearly, but again, this is not suitable for children under age of 14, and this is for adult collectors. And as every other model, it was made in China, and there's not so much more information. Again, made in China, and that's it. So let me now just first unbox it, and then I will see what is actually inside. And now I remember that I ordered this one on eBay, and it was the only place where I could find it actually, and I was looking for any kind of trailer, and because I want to build a new diorama, and this trailer was really necessary. So okay, it's very difficult to pull it out, but somehow this is working. And let me just move the camera a little bit. Okie dokie, it's nicely packed, and look at all those little parts that we have there. Here is the trailer itself, here is also one part here, and here we have few more parts. Okay, so let me just first take out the biggest part. Are there any screws? No, it's just plastic, and something is already falling down. Let's just keep it there for a while, and I want to pull out the big one. Okay, which is somehow not possible. Okay, so first maybe the small parts. It's also not that easy. Sorry, maybe I'm a very bad person when it comes to unboxing. I believe you would do a better job. Okay, so there is this part, then there is this part, and another one here. As I mentioned, there are two of these, it's the same. Those are the rails. And then we have here this part, and I believe this will be the important one. Okay, so it's out, and somehow we need to attach this to the trailer. So I will just keep it here, and now once again another attempt to remove this one, and yes, this time it finally goes out. Okay, so that's it, that's the whole content, and now I will tell you why I ordered this one. There are actually many trailers out there, but this one, I liked those wheels, okay? And the reason is that there is this black rubber, which is pretty nice, but there is also this red circle, and also In the middle I like those wheels and also this monkey sign or whatever it is, and also we have the same here. So it looks pretty detailed and I loved it because the other trailers, they don't have such a level of detail. Okay, and the rest, this is quite regular. From bottom, don't expect any very pretty details. Yeah. It's just all flat, and here also we can see how those wheels are connected. So I will not be focusing on this bottom part because it's not what we will see. But here you can see here, this is the trails or the track. This is gray, and you can also see that it's a nice imitation of metal, and then the rest is black, and it's actually quite heavy. Yeah, I think the quality here is very nice. Now the question, what to do with this one, and I maybe have an idea what to do here, and let me just somehow attach this. And sorry, it's not that easy because I do it for the first time, so okay, no, I don't want to break it, so maybe later. I'll check again the box if there is any display. No, we don't see how it should be attached. Okay, so I will just keep it as it is for now, and now I will unpack those tracks and I will try to put it there. And yes, it actually can be done. Here we go. And the second one as well. Okay, that's quite nice. And then maybe you are asking, what is this? So let me just unpack it. All those black parts, and I will now somehow try to put it together. And the question is, how exactly? Okay, so now I know. Let me just stick this in. Same thing here. And I will do now the same thing on the other side, so it's quite clear. It must be done like that, or maybe from the other side. I think both sides of this part are the same, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, and now we can put it here. Okay, it's not so easy. Maybe I will just leave it like this. I will not really attach it because I'm a little bit afraid that once I push it to the holes, maybe I will not be able to pull it back again. And at this moment I really want to pull it back again because I'm not sure if I will keep this part here. Because if you see how long this trailer is, and I have some very long models, like for example the Rolls-Royce Phantom, I'm not sure if this is long enough. Okay, so I will just keep this here or somewhere else. And now, yeah, maybe the Phantom is like this. There is really no chance to put it there. And I don't have any short cards actually, but don't worry, I will test it with all the different cars, and I will also show you how convenient it is to really load a car on this piece of metal. And this is actually the trailer. And what I also need to do is to figure out to which car I want to attach this. Of course, it will not be the Rolls-Royce, and it will be probably a different car, but yeah, for now, let's wait for it. Alright, so as I said, I also want to test it and test how this BMW 7 can fit onto this trail. So let's first try it, and I'm trying to do it very slowly, and as you can see, it's really long, and here hopefully it will fit. And yes, actually this BMW 7 is very long, but it can perfectly fit onto it, so I can even pull up those trails a little bit. here you can see that it fits perfectly. And actually this part here, this is for the spare tires. So if we had some spare tires, and unfortunately I don't have them, we could just simply put it there. Okay, you see, very nice. And probably we could remove those now. It's not that simple. I will just keep it there for now, and we will again try to drive with this BMW back. Okay, and maybe I will shift the camera a little bit. Alright, so here you can see how this will work. And here in this face we are already scratching the bottom of the car a little bit, and still, yeah, I think quite good. And now, just to be careful, and the front of the car, it's so here, maybe scratching a little bit. No, it's really perfect. Yeah, so with this BMW we have no issues at all, and it would fit perfectly. Maybe we can also try to do it the other way around, and here like this, a little bit scratching, but okay. And now, yeah, like this is not okay. And also, as you can see, it doesn't fit when we have this part for the spare tires. Then the bottom of the car doesn't fit there, so I will need to remove it. So the only way really is to load it the other way around, and I will do it once again just to show you how it works. Yeah, very good. And actually what I really need to buy now is some large SUV or a truck to pull the whole thing. Okay, so this trailer is quite heavy, so I will also need some heavy SUV or heavy truck to pull it. And maybe I already know about one, and I just found it on internet, and I will order it shortly. So then I will also show you how to really attach it to that truck, and then how you can be pulling those cars and maybe even ships, who knows. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. More will come. Bye bye.